and hello. This is Michaela with Singing with the Girls. Our first girl is going to be Anaja Willis singing her latest hit. And since she's probably unknown, this is going to be her debut album. Okay? So I need you to listen good because she's a really good singer, but she might be a little quiet. So here we go. We're going to have two singers tonight, me, myself, and my friend Anaja. Here comes Anaja with her latest hit. Woo! Take the floor. Get in front of it.
Everybody needs inspiration.
She sounds just like Miley Cyrus.